Okay, just a quick little tip here. So I've already cut the coping end on this side here of the tube, and I want to match that cut to the same plane as that so that they line up. So if you notice here, my tubing notcher is actually at a slight downward angle, just the way it's mounted in the vise. So I use my little angle finder, I put it on there, I zeroed it out and then transferred it to there, and I'm within 0.3 degrees, which is close enough because trying to loosen this and hold this and turn it exactly is just kind of impossible. So we're gonna go with that. Well, there you go. I've got my rocker bars welded in now, alongside my subframe connectors, the outriggers that go out. That's why they call them outriggers, because they go out. And well, I don't know. Feels like probably I've done a pretty good job of making the car more rigid underneath. Now, we're going to pull this engine and trans back out. Going to sell off the 4L80E and make room for the 8HP, including a new cross member mount, new tunnel, and start working on a roll cage.